What's up, 5-Star Nation? Can't wait to show you guys this project for today. It's a Chevy Malibu, really dirty on the inside. Got to do some shampooing on the seats, carpet, and we got to do some buffing work today. As always, go check out my YouTube at 5-Star Cleaners LLC. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
That's how you do it, shit, like.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Listen, recognize that hard work. Hey, gotta keep the mission, gotta slay that hard work. Stay at this hard work. Yeah.
I'm working hard and now it's evident. My white tee is looking elegant. My pockets only pocket presidents, while I'm making moves and taking precedence. I kill a show and then I take a trip. These other rappers can't relate to this. I'm making dough but then I'm saving it. Read your text, girl, it's just gonna take a sec. Cause I'm grinding all of my life. My family's good and my mama's proud, so I'm cool with dying tonight. But I'm going farther, I gotta prosper. I swear to God I ain't done. If Nick had a daughter, now we both are fathers, and all these rappers my sons. Representing for my day ones. Never switching, never say none. Working hard and had to save up. Now we living